What if you could become confident in your editing skills, master the editing softwares to finally be able to focus on the creative part, and find your authentic style that will make your work stand out? Well, that's what Retouching Bootcamp is all about. I'm Lou from Lou Imag'in, and I'm a travel photographer and experienced studio retoucher. It took me years to master my skills and develop my style. And I honestly wouldn't be where I am today without the help of different mentors who guided me and gave me honest feedback on my work through my journey. This is the reason why I'm launching Retouching Bootcamp, a 3-week course to supercharge your skills and awaken your creativity. 3 weeks from June 10th to 30th, from mastering the basics to conquering advanced techniques. You will also learn everything about my own workflow based on my images and get feedbacks on your photos and answers to all of your questions from me once a week. But that's not all. Because I want you to find your identity as a photographer and a workflow that fits your style, I will also walk you through the process to finally find your identity as a photographer. On week 1, you will get to revisit the basics in Camera, Lightroom, in Photoshop. You will also learn all the advanced techniques in Photoshop, just so Photoshop will become your best friend by the end of the first week. On week 2, I will introduce you to color theory and we will edit together on my photos, and you will discover my own workflows where I share all my secrets and everything I do on my own photos. And finally, on week 3, we will learn how to find great inspiration and go through all the steps you need to finally find your own voice and identity as a photographer. Every week, once a week, you get a chance to submit your photos and your question for me to get a personalized feedback and answer all of your questions. Retouching Bootcamp is for photographers who want to level up their editing skills and find their style. By the end of the course, you will gain confidence in using any editing softwares, master advanced technique in Photoshop, be confident in choosing and manipulating colors, know how to create your own workflow, find your style and never struggle with vision, and you will also be able to connect with like-minded creatives on our Discord community. As I want to provide as much value as possible in Retouching Bootcamp, this is limited to 30 seats only. So if you don't want to miss a chance to be part of it, join the waitlist to get an early access, and you will also get the exclusive launch discount for waitlist members only. The link to join the waitlist is in the description.